Hi, my name is Kathy, and I am the recorded computerized voice telling the story of Clovis AI and the founder CEO Mack Bryson. Mack Bryson spent the majority of his life working in the healthcare industry. He focused on managing people from home that suffer from one or more chronic disease. Unknowingly, the companies that he managed were the pioneers of a new market called remote patient monitoring, RPM, that is now being utilized throughout the USA and most of the world. COVID ignited the RPM market, nationally and internationally. The industry has exploded with activity, and RPM is poised to be the next trillion-dollar industry. RPM services are reimbursed by Medicare, Medicaid, private insurance companies, and continues to be embraced by managed care organizations. Because of Mack Bryson 20-plus years of monitoring patients from home, he understood what missing pieces needed to be created to maintain patient engagement and qualify the patient for reimbursement of the services. To create the needed software and equipment, Mack bartered with his equipment supplier he worked with for many years to create the software and a cellular connection device in exchange for ownership into Clovis. He then took the prototype to Dev Watson, who works with the Georgia physicians, and together they developed a scheme to have the new product reimbursed through federal grant funding. The grant created millions of dollars of reimbursement funds to hospitals that supply cellular connectivity to their patients, and Mack has orders from multiple locations and continues to market for more. Dev Watson is the speaker for the upcoming Georgia Primary Care Trade Show in September. He will be introducing Clovis and the financial benefits for the physicians who participate in RPM services and the hospitals who participate in the grants. Outside of the hospital grant funding, the physicians can also be reimbursed for RPM services for any patient that has one chronic condition. According to AARP, 50% of our elderly population has one or more chronic condition and qualifies for RPM services. RPM patients are expected to stay on the program for the balance of their life. Chronic conditions can be monitored to maintain life, however, rarely goes away. You may ask, what will this cost Medicare, and can Medicare afford it? RPM will cost Medicare billions of dollars annually. However, the savings of monitoring patients from home and preventing the costly emergencies visits and hospital care will save Medicare far more than the cost of the program and enable the population to maintain a better life. Your investment into Clovis AI will enable the company to reach our business plan goal of signing up 20 doctors and generate a gross volume of $9.6 million annually. The speed of Clovis reaching $9.6 million in sales will help showcase the value when selling to a Fortune 500 company. Our business exit strategy is planned for 2025 with the asking price of $76 million. For additional information, go to our website where you can view the pro forma financials and the business plan. If you have any questions or would like some explanations, please click on the Help button and ask for live or pre-recorded explanations for the page you are viewing. If you're tech-savvy or curious about our software features, we have a 30-minute recorded presentation that will explain 80% of the cell application and platform software. You are also welcome to speak with Victor Trani. He is the chief engineer that managed the development of the software. Thank you for your time and consideration.